Hi there, in this tutorial we'll explore how to measure things in point clouds and how to collaborate with your teammates. Let's start with the measurement. So I have already opened cross-section from the previous tutorial, and let's check what is the distance from the top of the castle to the river. And here we can see what is the height between those 2 points. So let's remove this measurement, and also let's get out of the clip mode. To do so we have to press escape on our keyboard. Let's explore additional measurement tools. So we have point, with which we can read out coordinates of each individual points, also the classification, intensity, and other attributes if they are available in this particular point cloud. Then we have measurement of angles, create 3 clicks, and we have, okay, let's remove those. Similarly, we can also measure distances. Multi-lag to stop measuring, press right mouse button. And same thing applies also for area measurements. Next thing we will explore are virtual tiles. Okay, let's enable them. Create virtual tiles, we have 2 options. We can define a grid with edge size, or we can do them based on the files from the point cloud we have uploaded. So for this tutorial, let's stick with the default value, which is 500 meters per tile. And let's create them. Alrighty, so virtual tiles are now created. So I can also see them in this map view, and with click on it I can go to each individual tile. I can also move to next tile with use of navigation buttons over here. I can filter the tiles based on annotator or based on status, and I can also assign each tile to different annotators, set the status, and report the time spent. Okay, so that's for the virtual tiles. Okay, let's explore collaboration nodes. So to add nodes, we just press add node, place it anywhere in the point cloud we want to. We then type our message or question we want to share with our coworker, press comment, and then under the section of nodes we can explore those nodes. Here is the entire thread. Another user can also respond to the node. And if this was, let's say, an issue, we can then mark it as resolved. Last thing we will check are points of interest. Points of interest can be used to mark certain locations that we want to do some further detailed processing just on them. For example, I can define point of interest here in the square. I can also use different attribute codes and then confirm it with press of a button. This will come handy when we will be preparing training datasets for retraining of our AI, also exploring follow-up tutorials. So now you are able to measure, add nodes, comment directly in the point cloud dataset, and that will make your life much easier. If you have any questions, leave them below, like and subscribe. Cheers!